Solve the equation 2 to the ln x minus 3 to the 1/2 ln x equals 1. Okay, so choices e squared, e cubed, e to the fourth, and e. So pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Let's use the property of logarithm. We have b to the ln a that is equal to a to the ln b. We just interchange this, the b and then the a. We can interchange that. Okay? So if we do that, we have interchange the x and then these two. So we have x to the ln2 minus interchange the 3 and the x. So we have x raised to 1/2 ln3 equals 1. And then we have x to the ln2 minus x to the 1/2 ln3 equals 1. We can write this as x ln2 minus x raised to 1/2 times raised to the ln3 equals 1. So this is not helpful. So let's try another approach. So let's try another approach. So let's think how can we write ln x into 1/2 ln x. So how to make this the same? We can raise this to 2 raised to 1/2 and then square. So we have 2 or 2 square and then raised to 1/2 ln x. So that's the same with 2 to the ln x because 2 squared is 4 and then 4 raised to 1/2, that is 2. Okay, so that we have the same exponent, so minus 3 to the 1/2 ln x and then equals 1. Okay, 2 squared, so that is equal to 4 and then we have 4 raised to 1/2 ln x minus 3 to the 1/2 ln x equals 1. So to make this simpler, let's let the exponent, let's say y is equal to, let y is equal to 1/2 ln x. Okay, so let's substitute the exponent to 1/2 ln x. Let's substitute to y. So we have 4 to the y, 4 to the y minus 3 to the y, that is equal to 1. So what is the solution of this equation? We can easily solve this by inspection. By inspection, if we let y equals 1, if y equals 1, then the solution, the equation is true. 4 to the 1 minus 3 to the 1, that is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of y by inspection is equal to 1. Okay? So therefore, y is equal to 1, but y is equal to 1/2 ln x. So now we will just solve 1/2 ln x that is equal to 1. So just solve for x, multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Therefore, cancel 2 and 1/2. So we have ln x is equal to 1 times 2. We have 2. And then take the exponential of both sides. Okay, e to the ln x equals e squared. And we have property. If we have e to the ln x, that's simply equal to x. Because e and ln are inverse operation, we simply cancel this. So the answer to that is x. Therefore, if we cancel this, we have x is equal to e squared. The correct answer is letter A, e squared. That's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and see you on my next video about Math Olympiad. So bye-bye and God bless.